Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your payment method on Temu. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to use a different credit card or debit card with Temu. How do you actually go ahead and change your payment method? Now this video is also going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the way to actually do this is that first you're going to log into your Temu account. Next, you're going to go into orders and account. And then from here, what you want to do next is that you want to scroll down on the left hand side, and then you want to turn this toggle off where it says your orders, and then you want to go to where it says your payment methods. So under your payment methods, you want to click on add a credit or debit card, and then here's where you're going to enter the card number, expiration date, the CVV. Please make sure that this is blurred out, the CVV, and then click on add your card. So once you've done so, your new payment method should have been connected to Temu. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add or change your payment method on Temu. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.